Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a website in Wix using your mobile phone in 2023. Of course, Wix is a user-friendly website builder that allows you to create stunning websites without any coding knowledge. So in this video, we'll guide you through the process or the steps of creating a website using the Wix mobile app. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, the first thing I'm just going to open, let's view, and this app will mirror my phone on the PC here, so you can see what I'm doing on my phone. So simply I have to go and open it on my PC as well as my phone, and simply I'll have to go and start the connection between my phone and PC, and you will be able to see everything that I'm doing in my PC. As you can see here, so let's just go, allow it on my PC, and here's it. That's my phone. Gets the full screen, and as you can see now you'll be able to see everything. So first, of course, we'll be able to install the Wix mobile app on your phone. You can simply go to the app stores and search for Wix if you have an iPhone and download the official Wix app. Once the app is installed, you'll have to go and open it and sign up or sign in for your Wix account if you have one. If you don't have an account, make sure to create one for free within the app. Of course, Android will do the same. You can simply go to the Play Store as example, go to the search button and search for Wix and hit the enter button and you'll be able to install the app if you want to. As an example, I'm just going to hit install, but in the meanwhile, we can even use it in the browser if we want. We can open whatever browser we are going to use here. So as an example, I'm just going to use the Google browser. And of course, for you can open whatever browser you want. So here I'm just going to type wix.com and hit the enter button. That will take me directly to the home screen or main screen of Wix. As you can see, I'm already logged in into my account, but for you, you'll have to go and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, make sure to go and create one. And here, we can simply create a new site, click on create a new site, and that will take us right away to the Wix app if we have it. If you don't have the app, of course, we will not be taken here. We will finish on the browser. You can even instead go and let's just remove this. Go here. We can click on these three dots and go and click on desktop site. Make sure to check this option. This will make us like we are on our PC. Here, we can simply go and zoom and click and create a new site. And here, this new tab will open to us. And here we will have to go and follow the steps of creating a Wix website like in your PC. Of course, if you want to know how to do that, you can go and check one of my videos in this channel. I've done a lot of videos about how to create your Wix websites on PC because it's going to be the same steps of creating on your PC when you check this option of desktop site because you will use your phone as your PC. So here, if we uncheck this option, as you can see, we'll just get back into the phone option. But this option here of creating the site like this, it's just in the PC, so it's not on the phone. So example, let me just go back now into Wix. Let's see if it's downloaded. As you can see, here is it. So let me just go and open it up. And once it's opened, of course, I'll have to go and log in into my account again. So it's not going to take a lot of time. So of course, if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on get started and follow the prompt to create your account. For me, I'm just going to click on I have a Wix account. And I'm just going to continue with Google and choose the account that's okay. They choose it like automatically for me. So here I'll have to go and wait a bit. So as you can see, now I am on my account on Wix websites. Here, simply, I'll be able to do a lot of stuff here. But we don't care about this at the moment. So we can simply go, as an example, to sites and app. And as you can see here, we will be able to see our websites if we already created one. And of course, as you can see, the mobile app, it lets people engage with your business and go from the Kids app. And as you can see, you'll be able to see a lot of other things from here. In this inbox, or you'll be able some messages that comes from other people as an example, you'll be able to see everything here. So make sure to go and answers for some of your clients as an example. And of course, you can even go to manage, and here you'll be able to manage your orders, your products, and a lot of other stuff. But what we care about is how to create a website, as we said. So simply go to the add option. And here, as you can see, you'll be able to add some products, some contacts, some create a pay link. And as you can see, you'll be able even to add a coupon or send the push notification and other stuff. Now let's just hide this. So here I'm now managing a site. So the site name is Welcome, which is the first one. So simply if you click on Welcome, which is the title of my site, as you can see, I'll find all my sites here. And I will be able to create a new one. If I click on Create a New here at the bottom right, and now I'll have to create my site. So simply I'll have to choose a category as an example. I'm just going to do random stuff here for you. Make sure to have everything accurate. Online store as an example, and click on Next. I'm just going to give it a random name and click on Next. And here, of course, if I want to add anything to my page or for my site, I'll have to go and check it out. As an example, blog, groups, programs, pricing plans, and simply click on next. And here I'll be able to add photo if I want, a product name. As an example, I'm just going to put a test here. Price is just going to be like a $10 and click on add. Of course, I can even skip this option if I want to. So simply I'm just going to click on add. Now they are creating my website. So I'll have to wait a bit until they created my website. It should not take a lot of time, maybe 10 to 20 seconds. And of course, in the meanwhile, you can read some advice that they are given here. As you can see, gets more than a website. Once your website is created, it will also be available for your users on mobile app of your choice. Of course, here Glow Your Business on mobile app can boost your site engagement as users can instantly stay updated through push notifications and chats. And of course, here explore our app offering and finishing the edits your website, then choose the app you want and customize it to fit your brand. And as you can see, it will finish soon creating my website. And as you can see, now we'll have to simply click on continue to editor. So once I click continue to editor, I'll be able to edit my sites from here. So I'll be able to check out the stunning templates or manage your website or get in touch with the support team. So as an example, just click on check the stunning template. We can choose some from to start and we can save it. We can use it. We can do a lot of other stuff as an example. So here, if I leave the editor, I'll find my website is added, as you can see here, and I'll be able to add the product to it and a lot of other stuff. Of course, you can do this simple steps in same way in the browser if you don't want to download the app. You can simply click on create a new site. This will open a new app or new page for you. Click on get started and you will have to simply follow the same steps as you did in your Wix app. So choose as example what it is, or you can skip those if you don't want to answer. You will have to give it a name. Choose a theme as an example, click on continue, and they are preparing the websites right now for you. So you'll have to wait a bit, then simply click on build sites once they built everything. And of course, they'll even give you some options to choose from. If you answered their questions instead of skipping like me, they'll give you some options to choose from what website would you like to have. Of course, from there, you choose whatever you want. And then once you choose it, you'll be able to customize it, add or edit pages and manage the site settings and add media if you want. And then finally, of course, preview your site and publish it before everything. So make sure to go and preview it and make sure to preview your site for mobile users, for desktop users, example. And once you do so, make sure to go and publish your app as simple as that, and you will be good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. You've know how to create it, or you know now how to create a website using your phone, mobile, and 2023. Of course, Wix mobile app provides a convenient way to build and manage your websites effortlessly. So we hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have any further questions, feel free to explore the support resources or join their community assistance or for assistance. So make sure to leave a like down below in this channel and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.